In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an under maintenance page on Wix. To get started, open your Wix editor and head to the top left corner. From there, click on the Add option. This is where you can insert new elements and sections into your site. After that, click on Pages and then choose Blank Page. Creating a blank page is a good option here because it gives you a clean space to build a simple maintenance page without any distractions or unnecessary content already in place. Once the blank page has been added, you can start designing your maintenance page. This is the part where you let visitors know that your website is temporarily unavailable or being updated. Keep the design clear and straightforward. A short message like, "We're currently under maintenance," along with a note that the site will be back soon works well. You can also add a simple background, a heading, and maybe a bit of supporting text so the page looks polished and intentional rather than unfinished. The goal is to make sure visitors immediately understand what is happening when they land on your site. After you've finished designing the page, go back to Pages at the top left to open the full list of pages on your website. In that panel, you'll be able to find the blank page you just created. Rename it so it's easy to recognize. Giving it a name like Maintenance helps keep your site organized, especially if you have several pages already set up. Next, hover over that page name and click the three-dot icon to open more settings. In that menu, choose the option to set it as the home page. This is the key step because once it becomes the home page, anyone visiting your website will be taken directly to your maintenance screen first. That effectively hides the rest of your regular site from visitors while you make updates in the background. One important thing to remember is not to place any buttons on this page that redirect visitors to other parts of your website. If the purpose of the page is to temporarily block access while your site is being worked on, then keeping navigation limited is essential. That way, visitors won't be able to click through to pages that may still be incomplete or not ready to view. And that's it. Once your maintenance page is set as the home page, your Wix site will display that message to anyone who visits until you're ready to switch things back.